Hello, hello! Welcome back to Red Ted Art. Look, what a hoot! We have some super cute Valentine's Day Owl Corner bookmarks. Now they're really simple to make, and I love if you create a little pun to put on the back, or you can write it in the middle or add it to a card, and they make a really sweet little Valentine's Day gift for friends and family. Come on, let's take a look and see how they're made. To make our lovely owl bookmarks, we will need a square piece of paper. This one's roughly 15 centimeters by 15, and some scraps in contrasting color, especially a little yellow and a little white. So first, and of course, some glue, scissors, and pen. First thing we're going to do is make our basic corner bookmark. Many of you know this step already, so you can skip forward if you wish. But for those of you who are new, this is how you make them. Bring the corner up to the top, so you've got a diamond, bring it up. Make a neat crease. Now you have a triangle. Bring the pointy corner up to the right angle corner, creating a perpendicular here. Bring the other corner up. Nice creases. Open both flaps. Bring one of the two flaps down. And now bring these side flaps over and in. And repeat. Over and in. Nice neat crease. And this is your basic corner bookmark finished. Now we need to turn this into an owl. So I'm going to have a little play. I might change my mind as we go along with the different colours. I'm going to start off by cutting out two eyes. I'm going to fold this in half so that they're the same size. I'm going to do it freehand because I have practice, but you can use a coin to trace. Now, because this is going to be a Valentine's owl, I'm going to do a little heart beak, fold it in half, cut a curve into the top, and then cut straight down. I think this might be a tiny bit too big, so I'm just going to do it a bit smaller. I think this will do. That's so cute. And then it's really a question of decorating it in whatever way you want. So you could have a big heart, you could have some little hearts. I think I'm going to do some small red wings. I want to get two out of it. And I'm going to do some little hearts in the middle, I think. And lastly, we need to add some details to the eyes. And I'm going to do some cute heart eyes. This one's quite big. The other ones I did smaller, but it's up to you. Now all you need to do is glue it all together. That is your corner bookmark finished. Aren't they cute? Now, as you can see, you can also add some little messages with them. You can stick the message on the back, for example, or you can put it in a card, or you can use it on the tummy. And you know, they're all the same. So this one's got some little hearts stuck on the outside with a big heart in the middle. This one I just trimmed that to give it kind of a little owl shape. So, you know, they're in principle all the same, but they're all really, really sweet. And I think they're perfect little bookmarks for Valentine's Day. Anyway, as you know, we've got lots of other Valentine's Day crafts on the blog, on this YouTube channel, including other Valentine's bookmarks. Do check them out in the iCards and down below. But in the meantime, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.